Next step, once you're done factoring, or once you learn factoring, is to use factoring to solve an equation. So let's take a look. First thing you need to do is set the equation equal to 0. So subtract the 42 to the other side. Then you factor like we talked about. In this case, plus 7 and minus 6. So those are your two factors, x plus 7 and x minus 6. So the zeros are the solutions. So x is equal to negative 7, x is equal to 6. So we didn't really do anything different than we did in the last example, or really even the first example too. It's just a matter of then extending it and getting the solution from the factoring. Same idea. First thing you're going to do is get everything to one side. So add the 9x, subtract the 5. You might think like, well, why wouldn't I just move the 2x to the other side? It'd be one less thing to move, but you want that leading coefficient to be positive. It just makes the factoring easier. They do factoring by grouping. I would suggest either Yeltsin check or Mudd's method, whichever you prefer. And you end up with x plus 5 times 2x minus 1. Both of those then set equal to 0, and you get negative 5 and 1/2. Okay. So now there's two examples for you to try. So pause it, try them both, and then come back and check your answers. So the solutions for the first one, negative 10 and 2. Solutions for the second one, negative 1/2 and 2. Again, in both cases, set everything equal to 0. So move everything to one side, and then you can factor. For the first one, you're just going to unfoil it. Really no other way to do that one. For the second one, I did do unfoiling. You can do MUDs. You can do the grouping method that the book prefers. So whichever you like is good with me. Let me know if you have any questions on this, and we'll get on to the next example.